And so now at this point, just leaving the store, I've already gotten too close to 3 people. So recently, Georgia lifted its lockdown, which had to have meant that it was safe enough to return back to normal life. Because if cases were still going up and they lifted lockdown, that'd be pretty cringe. Now, I know the data might make my state look bad, but these are elected officials, so they have to know what they're doing. Have to. They know what they're doing. So I figure maybe they know something that we don't. Maybe they think that this is gonna last for a really long time, so we might as well just get used to doing everything normally, but 6 feet apart from everybody else. Anyways, so I was thinking I could try and make something to help out the people like me who have been hermits for the past 2 months, get adjusted to this new way of life, and stay safe. Try being the operative word. Okay, so it's currently like 2 in the morning, and I'm filming this in the bathroom because I'm not trying to wake my entire family up. So it's been a while, but I got something working. So the main thing this entire thing works off of is object recognition, using a pre-trained model to basically detect people and images. Now that we know if there are people around us, we gotta check if they're too close and if they're gonna spread the Rona. So this could be accomplished by maybe pairing the object recognition with distance sensors or something fancier, but it's broke boy season, ain't nobody got money for that. Instead, we're gonna use a trick for measuring distance that I picked up in robotics before its season got snapped. It relies on the fact that objects farther away from the camera take up less pixel space on the screen than objects closer to the camera, which take up more space on the screen. Using a range of how much pixel space a person closer than 6 feet to the camera would take up on the screen, we can estimate if they are in fact too close and are going to spread the Rona. Now, is this a good way of approximating the distance? Absolutely not. It belongs in the toilet behind me because it's doo-doo garbage. I mean, this is a method that you use when you know the size of the object. However, we're talking about people come in all different shapes, all different sizes. Like, look at this picture here. I'm short, Viraj is way taller, and we take up different spaces despite being the same distance away from the camera. However, it kind of works. So we're gonna stick with it. Alright, so we're in the backyard. I'm gonna run a quick test of the program to see if it actually works. I'll show you guys the setup real quick. I got the code running off my laptop here, which will hook up to my phone as a webcam, which I'll mount over here. And then I'm just gonna test out standing at different spots away and seeing if the program I wrote actually works. I added in some code to make the boxes drawn around the detected people change if they're too close. So when they are closer than 6 feet, the box should turn red, and if they're at a safe distance, it should stay green. So let's see if it works. Alright, so I'm gonna start from the back and see if it turns red when I get too close to the camera. Alright, so right now I'm way farther than 6 feet from the camera. So let's go ahead and walk up, see what happens. Alright, we're getting closer. And it should start turning red now. Please be red. Please. This is like my 14th try. Alright, so as you guys saw there, when I started kneeling in front of the tripod, it actually detected that I was a safe distance, which goes to show that this is a pretty dumb method, but it worked pretty well. So let's take it somewhere more public. Alright, so I'm about to go on a snack run. I got my gloves and I got my face mask. Stay safe. And while we're at it, we're gonna go ahead and test the social distancing bot. I went ahead and added a counter as well as an alert to let me know when I screw up. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and voice over this recording because the audio that I got was goddamn awful. Anyways, you can see that the object detector is working. It's picking up people around us as I head into the store. Um, the footage is really shaky because I was just trying to hold my phone by my hip, but like not look sus about it. And I also had a laptop bag, like which the detection was running off of, so I looked like especially sus. Anyway, so I was looking for hot fries. I wanted some Chesters, you know, some hot fries. But when I got to the aisle, I couldn't find any. So I guess we just decided to head out. This is where all the fun. Oh god, the quality is awful. All right, so this is the first dude I get too close to. You can see that it turned red. Um, the second time it picked up like a mannequin, so that was kind of funny. But it doesn't count. Although I'm sorry, mannequin. Then this is the next time. It lags really hard, but you can see eventually it does turn red at the bottom. And then again, it'll also turn red, but it has lag. Yeah, there you see it. And so now at this point, just leaving the store, I've already gotten too close to 3 people. So yeah, pretty much a failed snack run. Alright, so I'm back in the car. I didn't even get anything and I managed to get close to 4 people. Like, I literally was in there for maybe like a minute or two, and I still managed to get within 6 feet of 4 people. There is a park nearby, so I might try go there and see if I can take a walk successfully, but yeah, that was straight up not a good idea. Yeah, bad idea. Just stay at home.